Hi guys, this is Atanu and you are watching Atanu Energy Fitness. A question I often hear from beginners is, what do I have to do to gain muscles? Especially for those who are having very lean body structure and they are very eager to get muscles. Now they all think having enough amount of protein and good quality of protein is enough. Whereas the reality lies in carbohydrates, especially complex carbohydrates. Today's topic is how complex carbohydrate helps us to get muscles. Now, if we divide carbohydrates, it basically gets broken into two parts. One is simple and one is complex. In biological terms, simple carbohydrates are like glucose and fructose, foods like normal rice, normal breads, and most of the fruits. And complex carbohydrates are like whole wheat-based foods like cereals and vegetables like broccoli. The best way to divide carbohydrates into two parts is especially a nutrition terms, which is GI. Yes, glycemic index. These are very important terms that helps us to divide carbohydrates into two specific ways. Low glycemic index foods basically releases a hormone in our body that is called insulin, and that insulin gets secreted in our body very rapidly. Because when we eat foods like normal rice, normal breads, and most of the fruits, the glucose gets produced into our bloodstream very rapidly. Thus, that hormone called insulin gets secreted also very rapidly, and it takes that glucose and sends into different parts in our body, like muscles and all. So that's why we see a huge amount of increase and decrease in blood sugar level in our body. Whereas if we eat complex carbohydrates like whole wheat-based foods and broccoli, vegetables and oats, this releases sugars in our body in a very slow way. Thus that insulin hormone gets secreted also in a very slow paced manner. So the release of this hormone and the level of blood sugar in our body gets regulated very easily. This helps us especially for those who are having diabetic issues or having blood sugar related issues. Now it's a debatable topic that why complex carbohydrates is better, because when it comes to calorie, both releases 4 kcal of calorie per gram of carbohydrates. So just finishing the macros or just having carbohydrates is sufficient if you want to lose or gain calorie. But in case of long-term benefits and health benefits because of the underlying structure of carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates with low GI helps us to sustain for long term. I hope this answers the question of why low GI based foods, complex carbohydrates helps us to sustain for a long time. Also, if we have low GI based foods, the hunger level gets regulated very easily, because it releases sugar into bloodstream in a very slow paced manner. The food gets digested slowly. With that benefit, that hunger level gets controlled in our body and we don't feel hungry often. Whereas with simple carbohydrates like fruits and normal rice, normal breads, if we eat, that food gets digested very fast in our body, resulting into increase of hunger level all the time. That's how complex carbohydrate helps. Another factor is the timings. Now, even if we are having simple carbohydrates, we can't help. So at that time, especially after workout, simple carbohydrates helps to get digested, because while working out we are glycolyzing, that glycogen level in our body gets depleted very fast. So at that time, if we have simple carbs, that might give us some respite. So if you can't avoid taking simple carbs in the day at all, if you can't avoid, then I prefer to have that after your workout. And don't ever have simple carbohydrate just before working out, because having simple carbohydrates just before working out, like, it's releases insulin hormone, which like hinders our energy and gives us fatigue, that gives us a very bad workout experience. So if we combine all the pros and cons of having simple and complex carbohydrates, the conclusion is, for long-term sustainability and for long-term benefits, having complex carbohydrates is much better option. Also, for patients like diabetic patients and people are having blood sugar related issues, having good quality of complex carbohydrates gives us benefits at any given day. For these main two reasons, we always should look for having complex carbohydrates if you want to have good quality carbohydrates and more carbohydrates in a day. Also, this answers the question of how having complex carbohydrates gives us muscle benefits and muscle gain. This is today's topic, guys. I hope you loved watching this, and also if you're watching these videos for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this. Any queries or any doubt, any feedback, just don't forget to mention that in the comment box below. That's it for today's, guys. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll come back with more nutrition and that topic and updates. Thanks.